Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clay. I do makeup here. If that's something that you're interested in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my bell post notifications so that you can keep up with all my content. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this look. If that's something that you're interested in, make sure to stay tuned after the intro. First things first we're going to do is we're going to prime. I'm just going to take a small bit in my hand. I think I'm out. A small bit in my hand. And just rub that all over the face. Okay, I'm out of my normal primer, but first things first we're going to do is we're going to prime with a stick primer. And we're just going to apply that to the face like so. And we're just going to rub that into the skin. And we're going to cover up some of these zits. I'm going to go ahead and take some color corrector. And I'm going to go ahead and take some color corrector. We're going to use the yellow side this time. And we're just going to go ahead and apply that directly to the zits. Come on. And we're just going to take our finger and we're just going to go ahead and blend that out a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and work on the eyes first. And I'm going to go ahead and put on these sticky pad things. We're going to go prime the eyes. Small bit on the back of my hand like so. And we're just going to take a small bit with my finger and just put it on the eyeball. And we're going to take this green and just pack it on the outside corner. And we're going to deepen it with this emerald green. We're going to go in with this purple and just put that on the inner corner. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this black and we're going to go ahead and put that in the crease. Now we're going to go ahead and take a eyeliner pencil and we're just going to add a little bit of a wing and we're going to add a little more black to it. And now we're going to go ahead and take this shimmer and put that over the lid. And for this bottom lash line, I'm just going to smudge it out with a smudger brush. Go in with some mascara. And we're going to go ahead and carve out the brows. And we're just going to draw into the brows with a brow pencil. Now we're just going to go ahead and take the spoolie and sort of just soften that out. Now I'm going to add a little bit of brow gel. And we're just going to sculpt the brow. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this off. The thing I have to do is just clean this up. And I'm going to finish this eye off camera. So we're going to go in with some concealer underneath the eyes. And we're just going to take a little bit of a heavy amount. And we're going to take a foundation brush and sort of just blend that downwards. Then we're going to go blend upwards. Now that we got that sharpened up and also put on some concealer, we're going to go ahead and put on some foundation. And we're just going to take 2 squirts in a pan. And we're just going to take a basic foundation brush and sort of just paint on the makeup. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a sponge and sort of just soften out the foundation. Now we're going to go ahead and contour a little bit, and we're just going to contour the nose. We're just going to draw upwards, and we're going to do a little bit of a boy beat by adding a little bit of squares where the hairline is. We're going to blend out the forehead, and blend out the nose, and blend out the jawline. Now we're going to go ahead and set the look, and I'm just going to take a powder puff and just put that underneath the eyes, and set around the mouth, and just set the forehead. And now I'm going to go ahead and put on some blush. And I'm just going to take a powder puff and just apply it to the face. Now I'm going to take some bronzer and apply that with the powder puff also. And also a little bit right there on the nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some highlighter and just apply it with the fingers directly. And I'm just going to tap it on the cheekbones. A little bit there on the brow ridge. And I'm going to take my sponge, lightly dab over the areas that I've applied the highlighter. And we're going to keep the lips simple today. We're going to go ahead and take some lip oil. And I'm just going to apply that on the lips directly. Last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and set the look. And we're just going to draw on the face. And we're just going to draw on the face. And this is the complete look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on my bell post notifications so that you can keep up with all my content. And also share this video to 5 of your Facebook friends. And with that being said, I do thank you for watching. Remember to do all things with love. And until next time, bye.